The first evidence of Galileo's espousal of heliocentrism came in a letter to Kepler of 1597, in which he described himself as a long-standing Copernican. His astronomical discoveries of 1610, achieved thanks to the telescope, thus came as a confirmation of earlier held beliefs. With the Sidereus Nuncius, Galileo inaugurated modern cosmology. He showed that the moon had Earth-like valleys and mountains, that the Milky Way is not a denser part of the heavens, but an impressive array of stars, and that Jupiter is surrounded by 4 satellites. These discoveries destroyed the very foundations of Aristotelian Ptolemaic cosmology. Later, Galileo made other extraordinary observations that bolstered his Copernican faith. The strange appearances of Saturn, the phases of Venus, and sunspots. After discovering Jupiter's moons, Galileo tracked their movements for several days. To measure with precision the distance of each satellite from the planet, Galileo designed a device known as a micrometer. Giovanni Afonso Borelli described the micrometer as a rule with 20 equal divisions. The device was fitted on the telescope and could slide along the body tube. Galileo observed Jupiter's system through the telescope with one eye, while his other eye watched the micrometer lit by a lantern. He then set the micrometer distance so as to make the interval between 2 divisions of the graduated scale coincide with the planet's apparent diameter. This procedure enabled Galileo to superpose the telescope's field of view on the micrometer. He could thus determine the distance of each satellite from the planet, with the radius of Jupiter as the unit of measurement.